What's going on, nerds and nerdy busters everywhere? My name is Samio, and welcome back to Nerd Time, where we do nerdy stuff and look cool doing it. Guys, I got the new Hapasphere Vertical Drop Battle Stadium set thing. I totally know the name of it. Shut up. Leave me alone. Anyways, guys, that's right. New Hypersphere bays from Beyblade Burst Rise have entered the line of Beyblade Burst. And you know what, Busters? I got 4 Beyblades for you. Like this one here, short of Valkyrie, and of course these two. Let's get to the unboxing. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get on with the review. First things first, we're gonna unbox Sword Valkyrie from the Wonder Boy himself, Vault. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, I dropped the ripcord. So, oh my god, that looks so cool. Just break that out. Break that out. Push that out. And let's just push that out. So, alright, here's what we got. So, of course, we got Valkyrie here. But, this is something you don't know about Beyblade Burst Rise. Yeah, the faces come out, but they don't have the metal piece that the Takara Tomy have, which is a little bit upsetting, yeah, but this part still works, however, so that's still kind of cool. So you can actually change out the parts like that. It's just that easy. The only thing it would really do, though, is affect the spin direction, I'm guessing. I don't know, I'm just now getting into these. So let's go ahead and piece this bad boy together. So, my god, look at the performance set. That is super wide. Look at that. Oh my god, dude, that is cool looking. That is a crazy looking forge disc. Alright, let me get it into the, there we go. And oh, hold on. Hold on. Ta-da! Totally nailed it. 100%. And of course, we have Wizard Fafnir. This is why I wanted to bring this up, okay? These guys, the other guys, actually had their names changed from the anime in Japan, right? But, oddly enough, Wizard Fafnir stays the same. The feck! I know it doesn't make any sense to me, but it should really make some sense to you. I don't know, this is nerd time. I just do stuff, man. Anyways, let's move on to the stadium. Oh, sweet Jesus! Thank you! That wasn't necessary. Yeah, that was. Yeah, you're right, it was. It was awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this. So, I did say they should really change up Drum's name for the American version, the American release of Beyblade Burst, and they did. So, Drum's name in America is going to be Dante. Let's go ahead and open up this. Yeah, let's let that. I'm so much strong. I'm a strong boy. I'm a very strong boy. Hashtag strong boy if you made it this far without losing your mind. I thought. And my voice. Alright, so we got the pieces right here, of course, that hold the thing together. Bolts look cool now, really. So, of course, you got the launchers and the ripcords. And I have to say, I really do like the new launchers a little bit better than Turbo. Turbo ones have great ones, but these are a little bit cooler to look at. And a little bit easier to handle. Especially if you have like big hands like me. Alright, so we got Ace Dragon, Dante's Bay. And Brushin Ashton, I think. Hold on. Bushin Ashton. Ashdira, I don't know. Is it Ashdira? I don't know. I'm going to call it Ashdira. Just for the sake of the video. So let's go ahead and open up Dragon first. This is the one I was interested in. That did not work for me at all. I saw Dragon and I was like, oh, okay, cool. But here's a fun fact. Dragon here is one of the only 2 right-spinning Dragon Beyblades. Wyvron counts as a dragon. Shut up. Leave me alone. A Wyvron's a dragon. You don't believe me? Look up the lore. Same thing with drakes. They're cousins of dragons, so technically they are dragons. Argue with me, I dare you. Alright, so this is something that I wish they would do. So, Dragon, of course, if you know from the Takara Tomy, had metal going around this part right here. But anatomically, it's actually very correct to the Takara Tomy Beyblade. So, yeah, it's nice, it's pretty good. It's okay. Might be a lot of people who disagree with that, but alright. Alright, so let's go with Bushin. Ashdira. I'm hoping I'm not pronouncing its name right. Just, I know its name in the Takara Tomy version is Ashura. I thought that was cool because I'm a huge Soul Eater fan. I actually love that show, man. Alright, so, oh my god, that forged disc looks like it's ready to cut you open. Alright, so let's go ahead and put him together. And, so I don't really know much about this guy, besides he's a defense type from the looks of it. But he looks pretty solid as a defense type. I don't know about the performance sip, though. This kind of concerns me right here on the performance tip. Not much else, just the tip.
Shut the
Don't take that.
Steve.
Don't make it dirty. Don't make it dirty. Don't make it. I want to just say this right now. This thing looks like an effing skate park. I said it. Deal with it. Alright, so, of course we have the frame here that goes over the top, and it looks sick as hell, really. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm recording on my phone, so got a little sensors me. So, this is the stadium. It kind of looks like it has an alien face in the center, but, yeah, you know, I can get used to it. I can get used to it. So, with the snap of my fingers, this thing will be built. Whoa, it just happened. Anyways, guys, are you ready for the first battle of this stadium's life? Good, because I already got my custom launcher. Right. And by custom, I mean I just stuck a bunch of launchers together and make a grip. See? This works for me. Leave me alone. So, a curse. I said a curse. Where the hell did Voucher go? Here's Fatmar. Trying to get this video to get a little bit right, but you know. My setup sucks. Alright, so. Of course, we're going with the guy who replaced Free, the better player. Against Vault. You know, Fafnir versus Voucher.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin!
Oh my god! Okay, walls are advised for this station. Notice. Alright. So, 1-0. First one 3. That point goes to Wizard Fafnir. This thing's cool though. And nor what came out of my launcher, I don't even know. Let's rip. Let's rip. Alright, Fafnir's in the lead with 2 points to 0. That said, Vault's not doing so hot against this new guy. Even though he has beaten Free before, but this guy isn't necessarily Free. I don't know what the hell his name is. All I know is I don't like the way he looks. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. For frick's sake! Technical difficulties. Alright, sorry about that. Voucher actually went across the room somehow. Anyways, let it rip. Good. Oh, come on, man! Come on! Stay on the launcher! Oh, now he doesn't. Now he doesn't. Because Fafnir has got him to stop getting on the launcher. You know what? This is the power of Wizard Fafnir. He's using a spell. He does it again. There we go. Now we got a battle going. And Wizard Fafnir won that. Of course. What's that? Frick Boy won. I'm sorry, I shouldn't take it out on the Beyblade. I should take it out on myself. Bad dum dum! I actually just hit myself. For real. Alright. Let's get one more battle, which is Ace Dragon versus Fusion Ashirda. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna go with Ashirda. Back!
This match will get red hot.
Putting my Beyblade on the launcher. Let it rip. Oh, come on! No, I will not count that. I will not count this. I will not count this point. Damn it. I need the points to count. I need a battle, damn it. Okay. There we go, now he's on it. Yeah, and Dragon got the point. I really wish I did have some other people to record this with, but, you know, I'm alone, so. Oh, loser, he's balanced, tosses on his own. Well, my feelings are just, yeah, out the window beforehand, so why not? Got it! that's another point for Dragon. God! Oh, this is stressing me out. Now I'm gonna try a turbo launcher. If it doesn't stay on this, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Guys, I don't know what to do. Let it rip. Let it rip. Okay, so Asher actually got a point on that one. He actually won a point. I got a point! I did a thing! Yay! Accomplishment! God freaking! Alright, Dragon wins. Frickin'. Yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up our video. Let me know what you guys want me to do with the stadium. You want to see more videos, you want to see a versus video, like anime versus real life with the stadium, or a turbo stadium, or any type of stadium, but you know, we'll do it all. This is nerd time, we don't hesitate. Frick. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to knock out that like button, and if you're new, hey, why not subscribe? Become one of the nerds, Buster. Nerd time is for the nerds to nerd out. Nerds need to stick together, bro. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!